Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mahanur, your maths teacher. Welcome you all in AppSec's online support program. As we know that the book which we are using here is the textbook of maths for class 9 by National Book Foundation, and the page number which we are discussing here are 246 and 247. Chapter number 16, and the title of our chapter is Theorems Related with Area. Today's topic is Theorem 16.1.1. Resources you required are maths textbook and a notebook. Introduction or summary of the lesson. Today we do Theorem 16.1.1. Let's start theorem. The statement of our theorem is the parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallel lines or of the same altitude are equal in area. Firstly, we discuss the definition of altitude. What is altitude? Altitude means a line segment which draw from vertex and its end point lie on another line segment which is opposite to the vertex. In this figure, AD is an altitude because its draw from vertex A and its end point lie on another line segment which is opposite to vertex A. So AD is an altitude in this figure. Similarly, BE is also an altitude because its draw from vertex B and its end point lie on another side which is opposite to vertex B. So in this figure we have two altitude AD and BE, and we have two parallelogram in this figure. First one is ABEF and other one is ABCD. The base of parallelogram ABEF is AB, and the base of parallelogram ABCD is also a AB line segment. So we conclude that these two parallelograms having same base which is AB. So we use this information as a given statement. Two parallelograms ABCD and ABEF having the same base AB. The other information is two parallel lines between these two diagrams. So, by the help of figure, we clearly see that AB and DE is the two parallel lines lie between these two figures. So, we also use this information as a given statement. The same parallel lines AB and DE. To prove area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to the area of parallelogram ABEF. So in this theorem we prove that this area is equals to this area. In this figure you can see that area of parallelogram ABCD is the sum of area of two figures which is ABED figure and other one is BEC figure. ABDE figure is a four-sided figure, and we know that a four-sided figure is a quadrilateral figure, and this is our triangle. So if we sum the area of these two figures, we get the area of parallelogram ABCD. Similarly, ABEF parallelogram is also the sum of two figures. First one is a quadrilateral figure and other one is a triangle. So our first statement is area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to the area of quadrilateral ABED plus area of triangle ACBE. Equation number 1. And the reason of our statement is area addition axiom. Our second statement is area of parallelogram ABEF is equals to the area of quadrilateral ABED plus area of triangle DAF. The reason of our second statement is similar to the reason of our first statement. The important step of the theorem is to check the correspondence between two triangles. In this theorem, we have two triangles are ADF and other is BCE. So we start correspondence between two triangles. So we see that measurement CB is equals to the measurement of DA, and the reason is opposite sides of a parallelogram. Here we use the definition of parallelogram, and the definition of parallelogram said that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal to each other. So CB and DA are two opposite sides of a parallelogram. It means that these two lines or these two sides are parallel to each other or equal to each other. Similarly, measurement BE is equal to measurement AF. These two sides are the sides of parallelogram ABEF. AF is equal to BE. Again, we use the definition of parallelogram, and parallelogram definition said that opposite sides are congruent and equal to each other. Our third statement is measurement of angle CBE is equal to the measurement of DAF. The angle between AF and AD is equal to the angle between BE and BC. From this figure, we clearly see that this angle is equal to this angle. So the reason is AD is parallel to BC and AF is parallel to BE. So we clearly see that these two triangles are congruent to each other, and we prove this by using postulate side angle side postulate. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, it means that the area of these two triangles are also congruent to each other. Reason: side angle side congruent axiom. In previous slide, in equation 1 and 2, the first term of equation 1 is equal to the first term of equation 2, but the second term of equation 1 is not equals to the second term of equation 2. But now we prove that area of triangle CBE is congruent to area of triangle DAF. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, we said that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to the area of parallelogram ABEF. Hence proved. Your written work is theorem 16.1.1, which is lie on page number 246 and 247. Thank you students for your patient listening. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.